super cool place. First, let's talk about how cool the trains are. Look how cool these trains are. Look, there's even cool bikes on the cool trains. Even cooler bikes on the cool trains. And check out this bike. It's hanging on the train. Here's an outdoor picture of the train. Pretty sweet. Here's a picture from inside the train looking at the beautiful terrain of Portland. Here's another picture of the terrain of Portland, just looking just awesome. Look at that river. It's just so awesome. Oh, here's a bridge. You want to get closer to that bridge? Whoa, there it is. And there it is again. Even bigger. Pretty amazing. They even have art in Portland. And look at this art. And look at that art. And that art, which is a pretty cool looking bell. But they even have free water in Portland. And like super awesome buildings like this one. And that one. And they even draw on their buildings like that. They have really awesome Blue Star Donuts. It has really funny donut signs. Ha 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 ha. They have one of the greatest coffee places in the world called Stumptown Coffee. There's also another place called Heart Coffee. Not pictured. Then they also have a crazy concept place that's like salad for Chipotle. And they have a food truck village with a sign. Beyond the crazy dudes on the train with the frisbees and the crazy bikes that either exist or don't exist in Portland, or the crazy bike signs that exist in Portland, or the Powell's that's in Portland, or the crazy cats that run around Portland, or the awesome pinball places in Portland. The thing about Portland is that it's a cool beer place. Here's a few beers that we had in our hotel. Here's a couple beers we had in Deschutes, downtown Portland. Here's an entire tray of Deschutes Brewery beers. This is an old fire station that was converted to a brewery. This is Hair of the Dog, which is probably one of the top 10 breweries in the entire world. Here's Green Dragon Brewing, which is pretty nice. We sat outside, plastic cups, and we watched a Detroit Tigers game. Here's another picture of our hotel bar. This place was an awesome little breakfast place we had. That beer's from Idaho, by the way. Here's the other one from that fireplace that we went to. Here's Base Camp, which is really awesome because they also serve this. Here's a really awesome sour beer little thing we did. Here's two more that we got. But the greatest place for beer in Portland is Commons Brewing because they play the Sex Pistols. So pretty.